At Essential Energy, we live, work and play in the regional, rural and remote communities within our network footprint. We know what it is like to go through natural disasters such as bushfire, drought, storms, floods and other emergencies. We've been on the front line to help safely and quickly restore power to our own people's homes, businesses and communities. Recent times have seen us challenged more than ever, and we also know the hurdle of changing the way we live and work through COVID. So we're talking to customers about different resilience initiatives with the intent of investing to deliver more sustainable solutions that will help us face any future challenges. In the hard times, we will do our best to deliver solutions that provide flexibility when needed, and when restoration efforts are underway, we'll look to innovative ideas like composite poles, standalone power systems, and where there are opportunities to do things differently as we rebuild. The power of regional, rural and remote communities lies in our passionate people, our regional heart, and our ability to think globally. Thanks for being part of the solution and the conversation. Stay safe.